So this is probably my biggest kind of hang up with this plan. Other than this, it's pretty solid. Is this foyer space and the laundry here being at the front of the home. But you got the HVAC system inside, and this area between the gathering room, the dining room, and the kitchen, it's probably one of the better layouts I saw on site. So this is an ideal plan if you like to host people. Truly a great common area. Great natural light and what seems like endless amounts of space in this area. Also too, a great kitchen. You have a lot of countertop space between this island and here. Truly nice. Good sized pantry and really good flow. Bedroom 1, aka the master suite. A really good sized walk-in closet here. Bedroom itself was definitely a good size. Tub shower combo in the master. Also two dual vanities. You got the linen closet here, but also no door or anything here on the throne. Bath 2 here is shared amongst bedroom 2, 3, and 4, but also bath 2 would act as the main bathroom for any and all guests. To be honest, all of these bedrooms kind of felt the same. I did like that they had real doors on the closets, not those old rinky-dink things you slide up. And you had this shared linen closet. So note that the patio is not covered. Of course, the 3-car garage. All in all, a solid plan. Pound for pound, one of the better ones they have on site.